After spending 9 weeks in Quebec, it's time to head back to Vermont. Boy, the time flew. I can't believe I'm saying that I spent 9 weeks in Quebec, but we did, and it was great. Not only did we get to explore this wonderful city, it was just enough out of our comfort zone with the French language. Less English was spoken as we headed north. The dollar was great. It was about 25% off to buy a Canadian dollar. It didn't take long to get used to the metric system. We didn't even put a dent in the number of bike trails they have in the area. It was amazing. But we did manage to put a few miles on those tires. Got the eyeballs looking at you. Woo. Woo. I'm not sure which I enjoyed more, riding along the north shore of the St. Lawrence River or the south shore, but also the countryside on the south side was great. The cruise ships only sailed in about once a week, but as July came on, the city got busier and busier. So now we're ending our time. What do you think?
It's been a great place to stop. Nice cycling, just wandering around, seeing new things.
Yeah.
Quebec City was pretty cool.
I'm a little sad, but I'm ready to go see what's next.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It can feel isolating living in a place where everyone speaks French, and we don't. Even with an early start to get across the border, the lines were long, an hour and 40 minutes to get to customs. We noticed water on the floor by the refrigerator and realized it wasn't working anymore. We called Better Call Paul, the RV maintenance man. With a bad diagnosis and no refrigerator replacement, we had some decisions to make. We aren't ready to stop this adventure yet, so igloo was the answer. Or at least we hope it works. We'll see.